Hello, welcome. Welcome to my talk o Cysylltiedig. Wales here again from Denbighshire Youth Service. Diolch yn fawr, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in again on session 15. Now we're on session 15, so we're cracking on. I'll start tonight's session, as we do every other one, with a bit of house rules. So we operate these sessions, this platform, in the same way we would any other youth club or any other session that we run throughout the county ordinarily, but of course we're on lockdown at the moment. So it's about respecting each other. This is a place for us all to connect, hence the name of the show, Connected. Thanks to Heriau again for that suggestion, brilliant suggestion. So it's about connecting together, but connecting together in a respectful way. So, don't be too silly in the comments and no bad language and no bullying. But not that anybody has been or would ever do that, but I feel it necessary to say it anyway. Quick hello to the people who are connecting with us. Hello, Jess, Gemma, Morgan, Joe, Kelly, and Sarah. Hello, how's it going, guys? The rest of you, I see the numbers popping up here. Please say hello. I love to see who's taking part. So yeah, please do pop in and say hello. Neges yn dod i Cymraeg, so mae sesiwn yma I gyd yn ddwyieithog. Mae'n groeso i chi gyrru negeswyr ni'n Gymraeg neu'n Saesneg, a na I gyfieithu nhw rwy'n dod allan yna. So, hello, Emily. These sessions are all fully bilingual. Please, if you want to, send me your messages in either Welsh or English, and I will translate and send them right back out to the airwaves. More people are coming in. Hello, Emily. Yes, people who are watching, say hello. Cheryl, hey, Elio, connected, Elio, excellent. What else am I going to say? Talking about connected, since Elio, the creator of the name of this show, is on with us. You can connect to us on various platforms. So you can connect to us here. You can connect to us on our Facebook, Twitter. Hi, Mikey. Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, email. All the information is now available on our Facebook page and on our Twitter. You'll see a lovely little poster with all of our faces, all the beautiful youth workers of Denbighshire Youth Service, and all of our contact information, and we can be WhatsApped and emailed and what have you through that. This platform that we're doing today is kind of like a virtual youth club. Those regular viewers of the show will know what we do here. It's all just like regular youth club types activities. But if you want a conversation of more private nature, anybody's feeling a little bit stressed or needing that connection with their youth worker as you would ordinarily feel like you're missing that, then please do connect. I know some of you have, but please do keep your messages coming through those platforms, and I will direct you to those workers, or you can now contact those workers directly through those links on Facebook and Twitter and what have you. Anybody has any issues doing that? I don't think you are, but if you are having any issues, please do let me know through Facebook and Twitter and email. All those come directly to me, and I will do my best to rectify the situation for you. Right, who have we got? We've got loads in today. And I've noticed that subscribers are jumping up as well, so the community is building. So this is brilliant, this is fantastic, and the views are going up, so this is fantastic. Everything's great. Everything's great. And that's it. So today's show, right, you have not disappointed yet again. Thank you very much, Diolch yn fawr iawn, for all the things that you've been sending us in, the challenges. And those of you who know me and know all the other brilliant and amazing youth workers in Denbighshire will know that we're an odd bunch, dan ni'n criw rhyfedd iawn, and we are willing to give anything a go. So anything within reason and within the boundaries of risk assessment. So today we are going to do some challenges. Hey, Elio, how's it going? I've said hello to Elio. Keep your messages coming. I still want to hear about your challenges. What challenges have you been doing? Some of you have sent me in some fantastic challenges. I've taken a list of the ones that I think that I can attempt to do live tonight. Like I said, as youth workers, we're a funny breed, and I'm going to have a go. So I'm going to have a go on some of the challenges that you've sent me in today. Shall we start now? Shall we start? So we get the show started with a challenge. I think that's a great idea. Right. It will take a little bit of setting up on my part, but you bear with me. In the meantime, as I'm setting up, taking you on a journey and moving the screens around and what have you, please do keep sending me in the challenges, just like Emily has just done now. I did a 5K challenge today. Run 5, donate 5, nominate 5 of your friends. Brilliant idea. Did you do the 5? You must have done it. You've done it. What a fantastic. So I'm guessing Run 5K, donate £5, is it? And nominate 5 of your friends. What a fantastic idea. So run 5, donate 5, nominate 5. Great. Anybody else been doing any challenges? Please do keep sending them through. Whether you've had successes or failures, it doesn't matter. It's all about trying and taking part. That's what I say, which you're about to witness, because I've been practicing some of these challenges today and I've yet to succeed any of them. But I'm hoping, cross fingers, that I'm going to be able to do at least one of them today live. So without further ado, let's get started. Right, bear with me a second, guys. I'm going to take you on a journey. Stick you there for a second. That's the off screen. Isn't that beautiful? Look, Denbighshire Youth Service, keeping you connected. Oh. Right. Do not adjust your television sets. I am here. So, challenge 1. Oh, it's lovely and sunny here. Right. Challenge 1. You may have seen this one. You have to balance a water bottle on your head whilst lying flat on the floor, and you have to try and stand up with it still on your head. And that's what I'm going to try. I've tried it 3 times already. I've failed every single time. So, cross fingers. Give me your support. Give me your support in the comments. Come on, guys. I need this help. Right, bear with me a second. That's great. It matches my uniform. Isn't that cool? Hey. Right, okay, here we go. Ready? Right. Okay. So the aim is from this position to standing up. Oh, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Oh. Hold on. No. Okay, so challenge 1 failed. Yay! Right. What have we got in the comment sections? We've got hello everybody from Mikey, and loads of hellos. So first challenge, Wales failed. Right, I failed one. Right. Second challenge. This one was sent in as well. I've had a go at this one. Also failed at this one, so we'll try anyway and have a go. Bear with me a second. We're going to need, for those of you who are missing sport, you will require a t-shirt. And in my case, classic Wolves t-shirt. Yes, brilliant. And you may have seen, I mentioned this the other day, didn't I, about Ollie Mers as well. He had a go at this one. So you do a handstand with your t-shirt on the floor. Good attempt. Thanks, Sarah. Thanks, Kelly. Good attempt. I know I haven't got the knees for it, if I'm honest with you. So t-shirts on the floor, but you don't have to have a Wolves classic t-shirt, classic football shirt, but it does help. So you take your t-shirt, you put it on the floor, you do a handstand, and you have to try and get the t-shirt on. Good try. Thanks, Jess. What I will say about this challenge, oh, that sunlight is really bright. What I will say about this challenge is, please be safe, okay? So if you're doing a handstand, if you can, do it on carpet. I'm not fortunate enough to have carpet. I've got hard floors here. Second thing I would advise is when you're doing a handstand, get someone to spot you and be ready to catch you if you fall. And just being generally sensible, really. That would be my tip. And now for the challenge. You'll have to bear with me a second. I'll have to tuck my t-shirt into my trousers so everybody will see my hairy back. Okay, right, rock and roll. Keep your comments rolling in, by the way. Keep your comments rolling in. Who have we got? How's it going, everybody? Righty-ho. You take your t-shirt, place it on the floor, apparently. Oh. You do a handstand and you have to get the t-shirt on your head. I'll try to do as quick as I can so it's still entertaining for you all. Here we go. Okay. Ready? Right. Yes, sit down. And that is how it's done. Yeah! Right. Woo! Challenge 2 completed. I know, don't hurt yourself, says Jess. Don't worry about it, Jess. Absolutely fine. Taking all the precautions necessary. Did my stretches beforehand. Right, challenge 3 was sent in, was bring back the bottle flip challenge. Sarah, yes, thanks Sarah, diolch yn fawr iawn. Right, bring back the bottle flip challenge. Here's my bottle. Woo. And let's see. Right, here's my, hey, tell you what, I'm really impressed with that t-shirt thing, aren't you? Wasn't that good? Thanks, Jess. Diolch, Cheryl, well done. Wills, yes. Jem, well done, Jem. Woo. Can't believe I did it. Right. Bottle flip challenge. Ready? Bring it back, someone says. Yeah, bring it back. I say bring it back as well. Challenge 2 completed. Have a go yourselves. Right, I need to move it back over here now. Bear with me a second. Right, we're back in the room. We're back to normal. Here we go. I'm really out of breath. I think this lockdown has made me get really unfit or something. How many challenges? Oh, here we go. Yes, Wales, go Wales. Well done, well done, well done. Legend you are. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn. I am completely out of breath now. I have to drink some more of this water. So yeah, t-shirt challenge completed. Bottle flip done on the first go. Standing up challenge. Haven't got the knees for it. So I put that out to you guys. If you guys think you can do it, film yourselves doing them, send them in to me. I would love to see your attempts. Bear with me a second. Right, now the big one. The big one. This is the one. This is the egg snappy challenge. Yeah, I need to prepare. Hold on. You will need, for safety reasons, a towel to put on the floor. Because you wouldn't like to make a mess, would you? Nobody wants to make a mess. Right, a towel for the floor. A pack of wet wipes, because, you know, it could get messy. An egg, a standard Welsh egg. Wy Gymraeg, lovely Welsh egg. Lovely Welsh egg. Lovely Welsh egg. Lovely Welsh egg. So, you place the egg here, and you have to try and break it, apparently. Right? Apparently it's really, really difficult. Don't know if anybody else has had to go with this out there. Please let me know if you have and what your attempts were like. While I read out more adulation from you guys. Yes, well done, good job. Oh, thanks, guys. Can't believe I did the t-shirt thing. I think it really, really helps if you wear a Wolves football top. Apparently, it worked for me. That's my top tip. Wales' top tip. Wear a Wolves football shirt when you're doing this challenge, and it works for you. Please let me know about your challenges in the comment section. Really, really keen to find out. Right, okay, so egg. This is exactly like a youth club now, and youth workers making fools of themselves. I love it. Right. Morgs, well done. Thanks, Morgan. Ooh, I can hear the egg. Lovely. If I am unable, and by the way, I've not tried this either. If I am unable to break the egg here, yeah, I thought I'd just not try this one and leave it live. Plus, I've only got 2 eggs left in the house. If I'm unable to the egg here, then apparently I have to poof the egg there. You're cool with that? Everybody cool? Let me know in the comment section if you're happy for me to continue. I wouldn't want to do anything that you don't want to see. That's not what these shows are about. These shows are about you. They're about being connected. They're about having fun. They're about trying new things and having a laugh. Are you all happy for me to proceed with this challenge? Cheryl, Elio, Gemma, Jess, Sarah, Kelly, Who else have we got? Jess says yes. Gemma says yes. Come on, yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey, calm down, guys. Calm down. Okay, right. Here we go. If I'm able to do this now, I think it'll be a fantastic almost finale to the show, won't it? Right. Ollie Mers was unable to do it. There's been varying successes. Sarah says she's more than happy for me to smash an egg on my head, as does Morgan, and as does Ellie. Thanks for the support, guys. Lovely to see that you're taking part. When I measured the egg against my arm earlier, I thought I was much musclier than this, but turns out not. Right, are we ready? Steady. Oh, you are kidding. Attempt 1. Crikey, that's hard. Attempt 2. Oh my God, I will not go. I will not go. Oh, no. Won't go. So, here goes. The things you do for the love of your job. There we go. And what a fantastic end to the show. I'm absolutely covered in egg. I didn't think you'd go that far, to be honest with you. Right, okay, so those are my... yeah, I know, yeah, what an idiot. So thanks, guys. I'm glad you enjoyed it. So, yeah, those are my challenges. Bear with me a second. My screen seems to have decided it does not want to play ball today. There we go. Bear with me a second. Bam! Right, I'm covered in egg all over my jeans, all over my socks, and all over my face, of course. But fun was hard. I had the wet wipes ready. I've got the towel on the floor. I've made a little bit of a mess on the table here, but it's not a problem. And I was unable to complete the egg challenge. Look at Jesse now. Look at that. So let me know. I know. Thanks, Morgs. Thanks, Gemma. I'm glad you enjoyed. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Oh. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you ever so much for sending in your suggestions. I really thought I was going to be able to crack the egg cracking challenge, but turns out not. We did have success with the t-shirt challenge. I'm proud of myself for that. I'm glad you enjoyed that one. And we had success with the bottle flip, but we had another failure with the standing up with the bottle on your head challenge. So those are my attempts, right? Denbighshire, young people of Denbighshire, those are my attempts. Now over to you. Have a go at those challenges. Film yourselves doing them. I got two out of 4. Film yourselves doing them and send them over to me. Any youth workers on here, make yourselves known. I want to see your challenges. Ellie says, you win some, you lose some. Well, do you know what? That's life. You do. You win some, you lose some. I won 2, I lost 2. I ended up with egg on my face. Literally. So, right, okay. So that's the challenge. Oh, crikey, I'm going to get into trouble here, you know. Thankfully, I put a towel down, had wet wipes ready, and have a hard floor. So I would suggest, if you're wanting to do this challenge, you're probably best doing it outside. Right, okay, cool, right, okay, so that's the fun stuff out of the way. No more fun stuff now, ever. We'll just go back to the serious business. Okay, so just to let you know, tomorrow we have another fantastic video coming out from Cysylltiedig. No, sorry, not tomorrow. It's Saturday tomorrow, Monday. A new Tids vid's coming out. I should also let you know, some of you... Oh, I've got egg in my hair. I'm going to have a shower and everything. Some of you may have heard the recent announcement that the lockdown is to continue for another 3 weeks. I know that sounds really stressful at the moment. Like, I've just done 3 weeks. How am I going to do another 3? But you can do this, guys. You are amazing. Keep connected on these platforms. If you are feeling a little bit under pressure and you are feeling like you're losing your mind and you want to smash eggs on your head, if you ever get to that point, please do connect to the youth service and the youth team. We've got an amazing team of youth workers out there all ready to carry on working with you, but in a virtual capacity, so by phone and message and what have you. So please, please, please do continue to use those services. They are available for you. Another thing I should mention, so obviously it's Friday now, we've got this lovely weekend ahead of us. Monday, we ordinarily do tea Tuesdays. Well, I'm afraid it's going to have to be tea Mondays, because we've got something very, very special lined up for you on Tuesday, and I don't want to interrupt that. So Monday will be our tea and a chat. So when you're coming on Monday to watch on Monday's show, make yourself a nice cup of tea, get yourself a nice biscuit, and we'll do a similar session as what we did last Tuesday, where we just have a general discourse and a catch-up about events of the weekend and just that kind of thing. I think it worked exceptionally well last time. Good to see new faces on here today as well. Good to see the numbers going up. Can I just urge you all to keep sharing it? I'm missing Wednesday youth sessions loads. Do you know what, Emily? I am missing the open access sessions as well. Like really, really missing them. Hence why we're doing these things. It's almost like a virtual youth club, like a virtual community, isn't it? I know quite a lot of you are tuning in to the shows and watching live, and more are watching post the show. Oh, that's another thing. If you're watching these shows post, please do continue to engage and keep your comments coming. I'll get you interwoven into the show in the same way as I do with the live guys. So yeah, please do. I know lots of you are watching the shows afterwards, like 50, 60, 70, I think, on the last video. So that's really, really positive that people are watching the shows afterwards. So tea Tuesdays is going to be tea Mondays, right? And we've got something very, very special lined up for you for Tuesday's show as well, which brings me on to other special things in the pipeline. So as this lockdown, Wales, did you get, I tell you what, as Wellbeing Wednesdays, those of you who haven't started yet, you know, to do your sketches for the Wellbeing Wednesdays poster, all of our tips and hints. Morgan has sent me his through, and it is brilliant. Morgan, thank you. I did get it. It was brilliant. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn. I will show it on Wednesday's show. So for the rest of you, please keep sending them in. I'll try and put them all together, or we'll do some kind of a slideshow for here to show you all the amazing work that you guys are doing out there. Talking about amazing work, as this lockdown's been extended for 3 weeks, we've had some really, really good offers from the amazing youth work team, Denbighshire Youth Work Team. The fantastic, best team I've ever worked with. They're amazing. And we're going to have some fresh faces on the show. So we're just putting things together now. So expect that coming up over the next 3 weeks. So it will give me a break as well. I think 3 weeks of this is making me think that it's a good idea to smash eggs on my head. So we'll have some new youth workers coming on here, logging in and presenting these shows. So really, really exciting times coming up over the next 3 weeks. So keep sharing, keep telling other young people about it. Keep this community building. And that's basically it. I hope you've enjoyed the shows. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I have done the challenges. I completed all 4. I completed my challenges. Now it's time for me to see yours. So I'd like to see your attempts at the standy uppy bottle thing, the egg thing, which is really, really difficult, the bottle flip challenge, and the t-shirt thing. Please be safe. Take all the precautions that are necessary. Good. If you're doing the handstand thing, do it on carpet and have someone spot your legs. The bottle flip, I'm sure you'll be fine. Just make sure the lid is tight and there's no electrical equipment around. The egg thing, I'd probably suggest doing that outside with wet wipes ready to go. And what was the other one? The bottle standy uppy challenge. Just be sure that your furniture's pushed back and it's safe to do so. That was the youth work bit out of the way. Other than that, I hope you really enjoyed watching me complete your challenges. Thank you for sending them in. And now please do have a go yourselves and send them to me. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Diolch yn wylio. Thank you to everybody who's watched today. We've got Cheryl, Emily, Heriau, Morgan, Gemma, Jess and Kelly and Joe and Sarah and all you brilliant people that keep connecting with us. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will be back on Monday. Lovely. Diolch yn fawr iawn, guys.